Two rulings, two dramatically different opinions. A federal judge in New York said today the NSA's bulk collection of phone records is legal, writing that it represents the government's counterpunch to terrorism. He dismissed a challenge brought by the ACLU. This comes 11 days after another federal judge in Washington said the program is almost certainly unconstitutional. We begin with Chip Reid. Chip?
Well, good evening, Jeff. Today's decision is a powerful defense of the NSA program, and it increases the likelihood that this issue will eventually wind up before the U.S. Supreme Court.
In a 54-page ruling, New York federal judge William Pauley said the NSA's phone data collection program does not violate the Constitution's ban on unreasonable searches and seizures. There is no evidence, the judge wrote, that the government has used any of the NSA data for any purpose other than investigating and disrupting terrorist attacks. He cited specific examples of terrorist plots that were foiled by the NSA's collection of every thread of telephone call information, and added, as the September 11th attacks demonstrate, the cost of missing such a thread can be horrific. This blunt tool only works, he said, because it collects everything, referring to data from hundreds of millions of calls, including phone numbers and duration, but not the actual content. Less than 2 weeks ago, federal judge Richard Leon in Washington, D.C. reached the opposite conclusion, finding that the NSA program is likely unconstitutional and calling it almost Orwellian. The lawsuit that led to today's decision was filed by the ACLU in June, soon after the program was revealed by former NSA contractor Edward Snowden. The ACLU said today it will appeal, a process that's expected to take many months.
Earlier this month, a presidential panel recommended major changes in the NSA program, and Jeff, today, a senior White House official here in Hawaii told me that when the president returns to Washington in January, he will propose a specific set of NSA reforms.
Chip Reid traveling with the president in Hawaii tonight. Chip, thank you.